same
isa lang?
Yeah, baby. There's the one guest. Tumangos man, agudi tiniksan naman si Junior. GR.
Maramay tanyaw sa mo. Maramay tanyaw.
Bali siya.
Maramay tayaw.
Kanto location niwa. Ang ating venue. Kaganda ere. Siyempre ata ba singod may tungkal, limakan. Ang 40th anniversary is a simple way of saying thank you. Ano po ang ito na po tayo sa area ng pagsiselebratan. Naghihintay po sila ng lutong pagkain, hindi po hilaw.
Siyempre.
Sa Lasa Bianca Cafe. Ang ganda ng tugtog. Diyan na? Sana?
Ayun na sila. Ayun ang mga private.
Surprise! Handa nga mo. They do not know.
Okay, so it seems that some guests have already arrived. So while waiting for the program to start, we can have a limited coffee there. So you can have your coffee first while waiting for the program to start.
Saan? Pwede naman.
Marina Suaya and we have Mom Teresita Suaya to please be seated.
Guys, ito yung sa unang video ko, panoorin nyo. Ito yung girl.
Ayo, hanap tayo ba? Last one deliver ng live yan.
Guys, ito yung sa unang video ko, panoorin nyo. Ito yung girl.
Ayaw, oh, hanap tayo ba? Last month i-deliver ng live yan.
Guys, ito yung nasa unang video ko. Panoodin nyo. Ito yung girl.
Tawagin mo si Lola, magpe-train.
Lola Valeriana Suaya to open us with a prayer.
Anak, saka ko may anson si kami ini nagtangan ng mga salon at son si kami ani nang na area
Hi, say hi
40 years ago, there were two persons who fell in love. Where did you first? Oh. Okay, so that was, maybe they can still remember the date. Okay, not fair. So maybe I think Mem is still quite surprised because I guess they knew that they were going to attend a wedding, right? But eventually, they came here to celebrate the 40th wedding anniversary. So it's okay, just the month or just the month, just the year. Okay. Okay, sir, are you ready? Okay, so ma'am, when was that? What's the year?
Wow.
October 17, 1977. Okay, sir, what's your answer? Sir's answer is 1978.
Wow! May nauna pa pala.
Sir, could you please try to tell us something why you wrote 1978? Or maybe it's just wrong miscalculation or what?
Explain.
Actually, 1977 was
Magpicture ka mo.
the first year that we taught in
Magpicture ka mo.
I do not believe that after the first year we already believe that, no?
Bluetooth mo yan ay, Bluetooth
Because
mo.
after a year, sigawan muna bago ko mag-isip.
Ano yung sinagot mo agad, father?